it's Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, we talk about hair, product reviews, and pretty much all things beauty. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and also if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, let's get into today's topic. This video is basically 10 ways that can help you to get out of the funk. Number 1, spend time with people that support you emotionally in a positive way. There are always people that support you and tell you what you want to hear, but is that a good emotional support? Like, are you being open with people and actually telling them how you feel? And are they supporting those feelings? And if they're not, I suggest you kind of reevaluate who you spend your time with and how you spend your time. And that also can help you to get out of the funk. Number 2, I feel like this is a huge one. Be present, be in the now. Because oftentimes depression is associated with kind of trying to rehash the past, and anxiety is kind of trying to figure out what's going to happen next in the future. So if you're here, you're present in the here and now. Number 3 is journaling. A grateful journal. I feel like vlogging to me is a journal. So if you guys haven't already, I had some beta videos where at the end of all those videos I'd said 3 things that I was grateful for, and I felt like just acknowledging small or large things, it really helped me to be present and to be thankful for the day itself and for the things that happen throughout the day. The most important thing is counseling. If you are in this nasty funk and you just can't seem to get out of it, I would suggest, highly suggest, going to see a professional. Number 5, I have recently started doing number 5 is create a morning routine. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour earlier, make breakfast, and sit down and just, if you're able to, just sit down and have 5 to 10 minutes to yourself. Just having that kind of routine sets the tone for your entire day. So I challenge you guys to start a morning routine. Just try to do it for maybe 5 days straight and see if you can actually tell the difference. Number 6, focus on your strengths. This is a very quotable moment, so grab your pen. The quote goes as such: rather than change who you are, be who you are, and watch how fast you grow. Bam! Let me say that again. Rather than change who you are, be who you are, and watch how fast you grow. So basically, it's not you're ignoring your weaknesses, but you are focusing on your strengths, and you're honing in on the things that you're actually amazing at and making them better. That way you are excelling versus trying to do something that is not your forte. Set a weekly mantra. I do this in my journal every week. I'll write something at the top and I'll just continue to read it over and over and over. Words are extremely powerful. I am receptive to all the things that come to me. Just something simple. Number 8, make a list and do it. So I decided summer 18 is gonna be my best summer yet. So I made a list of like 5 things with one of my friends, and I'm like, we gonna check these things off this list this summer so we can say we had the best summer ever. So if you guys are familiar with the SMART goals, and I can't remember what all the acronym or the words mean for the acronym, but basically it's setting measurable goals and attaining them. It's that simple. I mean, I'm not saying go out here and say I want to have $1 million by the end of the year, okay, because most likely that's ridiculous for the average person, but just something simple like I'm gonna work out 2 times a week for the next month. Once you've done that, bam, check it out. So it's just little small steps that'll get you to the goal of, guess what, having the best summer ever. Is do something meaningful each day. So do something every day that creates meaning for you. So just sit down and think about it. What means the most to you, and how can you continue to find meaning in even the smallest thing. Number 10 is probably the most important to me and the best way I can get out of a funk, and I hope that this helps you all as well, but it's to have faith and choose a positive perspective. I know I keep preaching about positivity, blah blah blah, but you gotta fake it sometimes till you make it. You know what I mean? So if you have to have faith to know that whatever's going on right now in this moment, it's gonna change for the better. All right, yeah, this happened. Maybe I didn't take the best route for that, but I learned from that situation. And you don't fail until you quit. So don't quit. Have faith. You are going to get out of this funk, my friends. And I hope that those 10 things helped you guys. I hope I didn't ramble too much, but if I did, sorry. So leave a comment below and let me know what are a couple ways that you guys, or a couple things that you guys do to kind of get out of the funk when you're in a bad mood. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.